Hi everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Some of you have requested for me to do a flat try on video, so today I'm going to do that for you. And thank you so much for the suggestion, and if you have any other video suggestions, and please leave a comment below so let me know. Thank you. So today I'm going to focus on some flats like ballerinas, loafers, and a slide on mules, and plus some Mary Janes. So just cover a few different styles, and I'm going to have a try on for you and suggesting different type of trousers or skirts to wear with these fabulous flat shoes. And first of all is this pair of pointed toe with heart motifs at the front, pair of flats, and this one is from Louboutin. I love to wear this pair of shoes, especially around Valentine's Day and Chinese New Year. Valentine's Day because of the heart, and for Chinese New Year, a little bit red is, the red colour is very symbolic for Chinese New Year. So therefore, that's when the times that I tend to wear this make me feel like I'm in the celebration mode. So these pair of shoes are very versatile, and I normally wear these with long skirts and also a pair of slim fit jeans at the ankle length, so to showcasing the shoes. And as you can see that, you know, on the other side of the screen, and these ones are very comfortable. I can walk in this for quite a long time, and I always make sure that you get slightly a little bit bigger if you choose for a pointed toe shoe, because you lose a little bit of space at the front because it's so pointed. Just go for a half size larger, and you can go for like a patent sort of a material and tweed, and it just loads of things depending on what you like. And also there are so many on the market at the moment, because ballet flats would never ever go out of fashion depending on what we like. So therefore you can just choose what the color and you like to fit into your wardrobe. When I wear this pair of shoes, because of the red heart motifs, I tend to go with a red bag, you know, with this stylist rule, as they say, you sandwich them in, so there's always another color to coordinate with another color together to make us look more put together with our outfit. So that's my take on that. And also I'm going to list a few similar ones in the description boxes, so you can find those alternatives in a similar style and in a similar material or different materials. And next pair is pair of Mary Jane, that I got this pair from Japan, because when I was in Japan and I got fed up with the shoes that I brought with me, and then so I bought this pair of Mary Jane. So they are very comfortable, and this is from a Japanese brand called Talon. Their shoes are very comfortable and very reasonably priced, and this was a pair of lifesaver shoes, and the soles are cushioned and the inner sole are leather, and just so comfortable. That's why I just been worn this a lot in Japan, but I haven't been really wearing this too much since I've been back. But this is not going to go away from my wardrobe. I'm going to keep this because Mary Jane shoes is still very popular, and in this season and this coming summer I'm going to wear this with a lot of the outfits in the coming month. You can wear these with long skirt, shorter skirt, knee high, and with cropped trousers, with slightly a bit longer trousers. You can wear this with shorts, and it's just like a very versatile shoe to have in your collection. And because this pair of shoes, due to its style, it looks like it is perforated, is laced, and also made famous by Alea. So everyone designed shoes in that sort of aesthetic. So this one, you can choose maybe a lace one, you can choose the leather one, you can choose the fishnet one. And because these Mary Jane shoes again is very versatile, and you can opt for a fun color, maybe red or maybe white, maybe or bi-colored ones. The ones that I showcased, the Vivaya ones last year at the end of 2024. Actually, I still have them. I like this pair, and it's so comfortable and a very classy style. I can just wear it and to go shopping, to go early lunch, brunch, and go out for coffee, and even go to the office. And so it's just a shoe that can be applied in so many different occasions. And if you go out to the beach, you can still wear them, and because of that very feminine sort of girly style, and is something that is going to be not disappearing, and is not going to be a one on-trend shoe that is only going to be popular for this season and then afterwards no one is going to wear them anymore. But Mary Jane, they are in so many different forms, and you can go for a thinner strap, wider strap, the strap further at the front towards the front of the shoe, or further back around at the ankle with buckles or with crystals. It's just so many designs. Again, I'm going to attach a few similar ones in the description box, and so you can have a look to see if there's anything you like and just give you some ideas. And the next pair of shoes is a pair of Mules shoe. And so basically it is like a slippers, you slip them on, and it's very chilled and relaxed. This pair is from Hermes, and I think it's called Olympie design, and I went for white because I have black pairs, so I thought I went for a pair of white, and I can wear this in the summer, and these are very comfortable. I can wear these and walk a lot in them, and they just suit a lot of things. Again, ankle grazer jeans and skirts, longer ones, shorter ones, shorts, and you name it. And so it's just something that is a versatile shoe that can stay in the wardrobe again for a very long time to come. I have this pair this is going to be the 4th summer, so I'm going to wear this a lot, and it's going to be one of those staples in my wardrobe, and I'm going to love it wearing it. Because of the color is white, that this can be a summer shoe. I never really wear these in the winter, but however, and if you're like me, if you're not a trainer girl, and you can wear these as a replacement as pair of trainers, because they give you the color white and slightly chunkier. The toe is square, and but it's not the trainer. If you want any outfit with pair of trainers, but you can use that as an alternative, because this pair of shoes just offer that because of the style. It's very laid back, it's very chilled, and this is definitely an off-duty shoe. I wouldn't really recommend to wear these sort of shoes to go to the office, because maybe it just looks a little bit too casual. However, if you work in an office and there's always a dress down day, once a month or once a quarter, depending on your organization's rules, but on an off-duty day in the summer or spring, and you definitely can just wear that with jeans and always a little pair of white jeans, white pants, or even pretty skirts or dress, and to go into the office like that. It just feels very feminine, very chilled and laid back, and it's a lovely pair of shoes to have in anyone's collection. Again, on the market they have so many different other designs. You do not have to really go out to buy the exact same one from Hermes, but this is all I have, and I'm just demonstrating the shoe, so forget about the brands. Then again, I'm going to find a few alternatives for you, and you can take a look to see if you really like them. You can find the details in the description box. And the next pair is a pair of loafers. So classic loafer is the best shoe in anyone's wardrobe. Again, this is flat, and this one again is from Hermes, and this is called a Paris loafer. They are so comfortable, because if you buy any Hermes shoes, in my experience, I am a Chanel shoe girl, because I always find Chanel shoes are far more comfortable than Hermes shoes. But this pair, I can walk in these for miles, and they just are so comfortable. And also, another thing is that I don't really recommend these shoes that if you have a wider feet. But in my experience, people having wider feet, they complain about being so uncomfortable because this part is very narrow. But however, the space inside is very generous, but because I have very thin and flat feet, and this, I just find it very comfortable. And people wear this with socks, and to jazz it up a little bit, you can wear different coloured socks. You can wear this with jeans, you can wear this bare feet, you can wear this with coloured socks, and just all sorts of different options to wear these loafers. People wear this all year round shoe. In the summer you can wear a little white socks, and if you're a younger girl you can wear a little short skirt. It just looks very preppy and a Miu Miu vibe. If you go to the office, you can wear this with a sharp suit and still make you feel a bit chilled but relaxed, and also you maintain that professional edge to your office attire. And on the off-duty side, and you can wear this running errands and go shopping, weekend lunch dates and brunch, and but I think even loafers, people these days, they go out in the evening if you push it a little bit, as long as maybe you wear a little bit of your smarter little top, and it just, who cares, as long as you look smart. No one says a certain type of shoe can't be worn for the evening, because as long as what is comfort is all you are seeking, and then loafers can definitely provide that. With this pair of loafers, they can be worn with ankle raiser jeans, slightly wider leg jeans, and straight-legged smart pants. And these can be worn with long dresses and skirts, especially this coming season. I've noticed that very long pencil skirts are coming back, so loafers is the best partner to wear with that. So it's just a very versatile shoe again, and is a wardrobe staple. I think anyone should have a pair of loafers in that wardrobe. It's something that you can keep wearing it season in, season out, no matter what the season is, and it just creates limitless outfits and make us feel in all sorts of different moods, smart, casual and cool, and so it's a lovely shoe to have in the wardrobe. Again, I'm going to find a few similar pairs and going to attach the details in the description box. You can find them under the loafers section, and I hope this is the shoe type that you love to wear, and this is the shoe that you will be treasuring in many years to come in your wardrobe. And last but not least is this pair of ballerina flats from Chanel, and I went for this most classic design, the black cap toe with this beigey color combination. I got this more than 10 years ago, and the prices, it was ridiculous back then. The prices has gone up for quite a lot, and I got this resold because living in London and it's always raining, with a leather sole it's just impossible to wear this out. But with this insole being outsole, it layered on just provides that little bit of security. And this pair of shoes, it just, what do I need to say about this? There are just so many good things about it, and is one of those classic shoes that is been on the fashion scene for like how many years, and since Coco Chanel made it popular, and this is never ever had gone out of fashion. This style has been copied left, right and center, and is a shoe that is so classic and is so timeless and is so chic and so comfortable. It just, any girl should own a pair. It doesn't have to be Chanel, it's just the style, it's cap-toe the design, and it's just super comfortable, and you can wear this all year round. And because I do notice girls tend to wear this color combination with white dresses, skirts and trousers, jeans, and it just all sorts, it just goes with everything. And because it's kind of a neutral toned combination, it would go with plain colors and colors, bright colors. It just goes with anything, I would say. And it doesn't really matter what bag you have to wear. It just something that is there but doesn't make a fuss, and it just goes with everything, is truly classic. So I wanted to get another pair, maybe in the suede. In the recent seasons, brown has been one of those in colors, chocolate brown, and they have this pair that's like brown suede body with a black cap toe, and I really love it. But the thing is, every time when I go into the boutique, they just say, oh, sorry, that one is sold out. Maybe that's a limited edition, and so I haven't really been lucky enough to get a pair. So I'm just going to keep asking. So hopefully one day I'll get it if I come across them. So this pair is just beautiful, and it can be worn with so many different things. You can go for the office, weekend, holiday, and it keep you comfortable and looking chic. You feel that Audrey Hepburn in you, and it's just a pair of shoes that you can wear in endless ways. And obviously they can buy from so many different shoe brands or fashion brands. Again, I'm going to catch a few that I find as great alternatives, and you can find them in the Ballet Flats section. This is pretty much today's video, and it's just a quick try on with the flat shoes, and I hope you enjoyed me talking through how to wear these, where to find them, and also why they're so popular, why it is a wardrobe staple. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and give my video a like. And my channel is all about fashion, shoes, bags and jewelry, all the girly stuff. I'll occasionally do shopping as well, and just to give you a heads up of where you find the nicest things and the latest things. And so if this is something interests you, please subscribe and forward my video to your friends if they are also into these girly subjects. Until my next one, I'll see you then. Bye bye, take care.